What about the decision to go with a bench trial here? One would think that a juror or two would have been empathetic towards the young defendant, but they went with the bench trial.
I'll tell you. I'll tell you my thoughts on that. Sorry, Ted. There's a delay. That's why I wasn't cutting you off. I think it was the right decision. I'll tell you why. When I was younger, I was defending a person who was accused of rape, and I knew he was innocent. I knew he was. I knew from the bottom of my heart he was innocent. And another person was also charged with the same rape and the same incident, and he had hired another attorney. The attorney he hired was a very seasoned former judge. So this I wanted a jury trial, and this former judge told me we're taking a bench trial on this case because I know who this judge is, and I know that this judge is very fair, and I know that he will see through the BS of what the victim is accusing. We went with a bench trial. It was a serious case, and we won. And again, I was defending somebody that in the depths of my heart, he was innocent. But seasoned attorneys will do that from time to time. They will go with a bench trial because they will believe that a certain judge is going to be better than a jury. This is Cuyahoga County. Jurors are different than most of the country. This is Cleveland. And so I think it was the right decision. Obviously, she didn't get acquitted, but yeah, it didn't work. But I think the decision at the time, when a seasoned attorney decides to go with a bench trial, they've thought this through for weeks. And they know, because this attorney knows this judge, and he knows what she's made of. And I don't know, he might practice with her, but to go with a bench trial is a rare decision for a defense attorney to do. But when they do it, it's done with a lot of thought. So right. I think it was a good decision.